Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, these are all the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and of course you can see the red flag and the red arrow, so this signifies a downtrend and a sell signal. Okay, so that is why I kept on selling and selling till it got to this support zone. If you should notice, somewhere around there is a support zone because it's respected it around there, also respected it when it got here, but later on it went down to break out below it, and of course it has got into a new support zone. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from here, it's going to go back on buy trend, but if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling, but for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500. It had been on downtrend and of course got to this support zone, pulled back, a major pullback. Okay, and of course went down to break out below that support zone to get to another support zone. It's unable to break out from here. Tried it out 2 times, still unable to break out from there, so right now it is buying. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 actually went on uptrend right from here, got to this resistance, it was unable to go beyond that, so it started a downtrend, but here is the support zone which it has not been able to break, so it is buying at the moment. This might be a pullback if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, which is going to be somewhere here, then definitely it will continue with the downtrend, so you should watch out for that. Okay, it will continue with the downtrend and try to break out from here. Okay, so this is very important, so watch out for this. It is buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out from here, then it will come down till it get to this support zone to see if it will be able to break out from there. Okay, so you should watch out for that. So this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for long if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been more of an uptrend till it got to this resistance zone. It started a downtrend, had a pullback and came down again to sell more. Okay, so if it breaks out below here, then it's going to sell more, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, we should take note of that. The last asset is going to be V75. This is volatility 75. Volatility 75 picked up a buy trade right from here, and of course you can see the yellow flag and the blue arrow somewhere here, and of course it bought till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, if it's on since it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it started a downtrend. This is what which is what you're seeing at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, and do your own personal practice on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.